Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Korobi and you are watching KT with you. And please consider subscribing to my channel and share with your friends and family. So today's video is about another episode of my makeover series. As you all know, we moved in a new rental apartment and I just make over the place. So today I'm going to share with you my entryway makeover video. Hope you will like it, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram page. Link is on my description box. Don't forget to go to that.
Hello.
If you already watch my moving series, then you get to know that this is my entryway. The first thing we wanted is a desk to sit on and wear shoes. We bought this desk from IKEA. Actually, this is not a proper sitting furniture. This is a TV desk, but I need something cheap and small which fits in my doorway. So I got this. We built this desk following the manual. Believe it or not, it works perfectly. Next thing, we need a jacket holder for the wall. So we bought this from IKEA too. These are the hooks and you need to assemble like this way first. Then only nailing them on this base wood piece. For key hanging, we just DIY this wall key holder. This piece of wood I already had. Then we bought these beautiful designer pins and with a hammer nailed on a half parts. Now you can hang your keys and marks as well. Then we put some nails to hang all our photos and paintings. Then we put this mirror as well. but I wanted it to look more stylish, so I glued these golden stones on the border of the mirror. Now it gave me a very stylish look. I wanted a shelf to add a candle, so I DIYed this shelf. First I installed this hanger and I just glued this basket on top of that, and you are done. It's really very easy to do. And I also hung my wall candle holder. I already made a video on that DIY projects in my Diwali DIY video. I will share all the video links on my description box. You can see that. This wall looks empty a little bit, so I made some DIY easy wall decor pieces and hang them here. I already made a video, you can watch that definitely. If you didn't till now, I will share all the video links on my description box. Also another piece of wall decor I hung on top of the mirror. So now it's time for final touch. Now is the time to reveal the final look. Are you really excited? Okay, so let's go. So hope you will like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.